Bye-bye UART BBS02B and HT. These two motors are going out of print. Winter is coming, and I hope you are all ready.
I'm cold.
If you're not ready, no matter. I'll help you ready. This video will show you a comprehensive comparison of the two versions of the motor and install the CAN-BUS version on the bicycle. Then install the DPC010 display to show the function. The video is a bit long. Please like, subscribe, and bookmark it. Your kindness will illuminate your life. I got the Varstrom BBS02B with CAN-BUS and UART. Both are 750 watts, 48 volts. The battery line, the shift disconnect line, and the headlight line have not changed. The 1T4 line has become a trapezoid, and the display connector has become a triangle, and the speed sensor line has become a trapezoid. The battery communication line and the taillight line have been added. The battery communication line is used with the Bafang battery, but it is also okay not to connect it. You can choose the battery you want. The voltage of the light is the same as the battery voltage, supporting 36 to 60 volts. The output power of the headlight is 10 watts, and the output power of the taillight is 1.5 watts. I made a picture to illustrate the 4 upgrades of these two versions. 1. The upgrade of the communication protocol makes the motor operation smoother, and the noise is reduced. 2. The throttle changes with pressure and the switch becomes inductive to support linear acceleration. 3. The speed limit becomes compatible with the pedal and throttle, and the speed limit is effective for both the shifter and the power assist. 4. Supports the display or app, Bafang Go Plus, to change parameters and say goodbye to the program line. Next, let's install this CAN-BUS mid-drive on the bicycle. Removing the crank. The other side. Remove the bottom bracket. Install the chain wheel. Install the mid-drive.
Hold me fast, the magic bell you cast. This is love I know.
Install the crank.
When you
The other side.
sides, and though I close my eyes, I see love that I know. When you press me to your heart.
Put the chain on. Install the speed sensor.
And when you speak, angels sing from above.
Magnet.
Everyday word seems to turn into love song. Give your heart and soul to me. And
Install the battery. Display. throttle sensor. Brake sensor. The headlight. The tail light. Now let's slow down and make sure we understand the sequence of these lines. The speed sensor connector is already connected. I'll open it and show you. Battery connector. Battery communication connector. 1T4 connector. Headlight connector. Tail light connector. Note these lines. Display connector. Throttle sensor connector. Brake sensor connector. This is the Bafang DPC010 display. The shell of this display is made of PC plus ABS material, the top cover is glass, and the waterproof level is IP66. This is the light sensing area. There is USB charging here. The interface is USB-C. The maximum charging voltage is 5 volts and the maximum charging current is 1 ampere. There are 3 buttons in total. Long press the power button to turn on the display. Here it shows the battery level, here it shows the alarm, and here it shows the real-time speed. Short press the power button to switch to display real-time time, single mileage, cumulative mileage, maximum speed, average speed, remaining mileage, cadence, and riding time. Here is the speed bar display. Here is the icon display, showing the headlight symbol, USB charging symbol, maintenance reminder symbol, and Bluetooth symbol. Here is the power mode display. Short press the plus and minus keys to switch the power mode, and the page color will also change. Long press the plus key to turn the headlights on and off. In boost mode, you need to short press the minus key to go to this page and then long press the minus key to turn on boost mode. In the main page, double-click the power button to enter the data summary, where the writing data is displayed simply and clearly. Short press the power button to turn the page. Long press the minus button to quickly clear trip, max, AVG, and time. Double-click the power button to return to the main page. Long press the plus and minus keys to enter the shortcut menu, where you can set the brightness, automatic shutdown time, and the clock to 12 or 24 hours. The theme has 3 themes to choose from: sporty, technology, and fashion. Which one is your favorite? Here you can choose 4 out of 6 total modes. The page display effect is like this. You can pause and view it freely. Here you can choose yes to achieve a single mileage reset. After all functions are set, don't forget to long press the plus and minus keys to save your settings and return to the main page. Next, I will show you the main menu. On the main page, long press the plus and minus keys to enter the shortcut menu first. Select Other to enter the main menu, and click the plus and minus keys to turn pages. Here are display settings, information viewing, language settings, theme settings, advanced settings, writing param settings. Press the power key to enter the instrument settings. Check here. Single mileage reset. Unit switching, select metric or imperial. Maintenance reminder. A reminder will be issued if riding exceeds 5,000 kilometers. Light sensitivity. Press the plus key, minus key to select the level. The larger the number, the more sensitive. Power on password. Reset the power on password. Then come to the information viewing page. Press the power key to confirm to enter and view all information. Battery information viewing. Check the controller information. Check the display information. There are 6 language options for language settings. Choose the one you are familiar with. Theme settings I mentioned before. Advanced settings. Enter the password 1919 to enter. Here you can set the wheel size, wheel perimeter, speed limit, reset password. Riding param settings. Set the speed limit for each gear here. Set the output current limit for each gear here. After completing the settings of all pages, remember to press and hold the plus and minus keys to save and return to the main interface. Now, connect the app Beifong Go Plus. You can turn the lights on and off and set the gear on your phone. This page shows the real-time speed. You can also set the destination and map the navigation to the display. All the settings are clearly written on it. Set custom riding parameters here. This is probably the most detailed review of the DPC010 display on YouTube so far. If it was helpful to you, don't forget to give me a free like. 109 euros. Would you choose DPC010 display? Welcome to leave a comment in the comment section to discuss, and see you next time. Wait! How to choose a more cost-effective display? Good one. Let me give you a preview. Varstrom took the lead with the EKD01. It is compatible with Beifang communication version batteries, has customizable writing parameters, USB charging, and can be connected to the mobile app to unlock more fun. All for only 44 euros. Varstrom with 1-year warranty, 3 to 7 days delivery. Subscribe and DM me now to customize your ideal set.